Hello everyone, I'm in our new factory today. I will show you our factory new product, copper rod manufacturing induction furnace. A good weather, we can see the beautiful blue sky. Our new factory already built 3 years. The area more than 7,000 square meters. New road, new building. Let's go into the workshop to see the copper rod manufacturing furnace. Okay, now let's see it. Copper rod finished. Cabinet, induction power supply. We can use these copper scraps. Only put the scraps into the melting furnace. Melt the scraps, then through the crystal. We can see the new finished copper rod. This is a rolling mill, cutting machine. This is the finished copper rod products.